video is over additive versus multiplicative relationships. So before we do that, let's look at our number routine. This is a graph. This is a table. Let's see. Let's 1080. Oh, so the x-axis is about the time worked, which is the independent. Again, how do I know that? By this. You can manipulate the independent axis, and a dependent responds to it. So the amount earned depends on how many hours you work. So if someone worked 10 hours, they earn $80. They work 20 hours, they make $160. They work 30 hours, they make $240. They work 40 hours, make $320. So what is the relationship? Turn a 10 to an 80, I think the relationship is times 8. So you have to multiply the hours by 8, and it will equal to the dollar earned. Or another way to say, to find how much money you earn, you have to multiply 8 by the number of hours. So y equal 8x. So in this activity, you're getting graphs. So figure 1 has 2 squares. Figure 2 has 8 squares. So let's complete this table. Use the figures below to complete the questions that follow. So the width is 1. The length is 2. The width is 2. The length is 4. The width is 3. The length is 6. The width is 4. The length is 8. Make a prediction on the next one. Do you want to draw it or do you want to make a prediction? I believe it will be 10. So what is the relationship between the width and the length? I believe, is it multiplicative or additive? I believe the relationship is times 2. Let's graph it. So this is the width. This is the length. So width is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 10. Yeah, if there is no graph, it would be 0, 0. So the width is blank of the length. This width right here is blank of this. 3 is blank of 6. 4 is blank of 8. It must be half. So the length, on the other hand, these numbers are double the width. Write an equation. Let's see if the equation is, I know it's times 2. What are you multiplying 2 by? By the width. And what variable is it represented by? By x. So to find the length, you have to multiply the width by 2. So y equals 2x. And is it additive multiplying by 2? So the value of y, is it 2 more? More means adding, no. Is the value of y is twice x? Yes, it is. Is the value of y divide? No. Is it double x? Yes, it is. Is it 2 times? Yes. Is the value of y is half of x? No. Let's look at our next picture. In our next picture, if the width is 1, then the length has to be 3. If the width is 2, the length is 4. If the width is 3, the length is 5. The width is 4, the length is 6. So let's make a prediction. If the width is 5, the length, I think it's going to be 7. Let's graph it. This is width. This is the length. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7. So if the width is 0, then it has to be 2 right there. So what's the relationship from here to here? Is it multiplying? 1 times 3. 2 times, no. It's adding plus 2. So the width is, these number is blank of this. Smaller, but how much smaller? 5 is blank of 7. 4 is blank of 6. It's 2 less than the length. So the length must be 2 more than width. So write an equation, y equals. So because I know it's plus 2, we're adding 2 to what? To the width. And how is the width represented? By x. So it's x plus 2, so y equal x plus 2. To find the y is again length. To find the length, you have to add 2 to the width. Circle all that makes sense here. The value of y is 2 more than x. It is. The value of y is plus 2. The value of y is half. Nope. Is 2 less? Less means subtract? No. Sum means add. Yep. And increase. Increase means add. So that is how to do additive multiplication. The next thing after this is you are going to try to see if it works. You are going to try to. Next thing you're going to see is you're going to try to determine which one is multiply and which one is additive. You're going to sort it out. So there's multiplicative. If it is multiplicative, I'm just going to circle all the multiple. The length is double. Double means times 2. Increase, no. 2 more, nope. Twice. This means multiplicative. And which one here? If I take a point here, let's say this one. Take a point here. 2, 4. This is 3, 6. How do you turn 3 to 6, 2 to 4? Times 2. That's multiplicative. And 2 to 4, that is, what's the relationship from 2 to 4? 1 to 3 is plus, no. What's the relationship from 2 to 4? 1 to 2? 2. So we have 5 multiples. This is the study of which equation is additive and which